In a world where ideas are everything, one hobbit's invention is stolen, and he must embark on an epic quest to protect his intellectual property. Join Frodo and Sam on a Middle-earth adventure to learn about patents, prior art, and what it takes to defend your creation from the forces of evil. Get ready for a thrilling and educational journey that will change how you think about patents forever. In the time of magic and adventure, a resourceful and creative hobbit named Frodo Baggins invents a groundbreaking gardening tool in the Shire. With the support of his best friend Samwise Gamgee, Frodo is ready to share his invention with others, but the evil of Sauron has other plans. One day, Frodo discovers that Sauron has stolen his invention, hoping to profit from it. Sam urges Frodo to fight for his rights and protect his intellectual property. "We can't let Sauron get away with this, Sam. But how do we protect my invention?" Frodo and Sam set out on their quest and meet Gandalf the Grey, a wise and experienced patent attorney. Gandalf helps them understand the patent process and offers his guidance.
Patents are essential for protecting your invention, Frodo. There are different types of patents like utility patents for new and valuable inventions, design patents for new, original, and ornamental designs, and plant patents for unique and distinct plants. Each type has specific requirements, and you must determine which one is suitable for your invention. To apply for a patent, you need to prepare a detailed application, including a thorough description, drawings, and claims that define the scope of your invention. You'll also need to conduct prior art search to ensure your invention is novel and non-obvious and useful. Gandalf continued to explain how prior art searches help determine if your invention is truly new and unique, as it involves looking for any public disclosures, patents, or applications that describe similar inventions. The USPTO examines your application and compares it with existing prior art to decide if your invention deserves a patent. They look for novelty, non-obviousness, and utility. The examination process can be long and challenging, but it ensures that only truly deserving inventions are granted patents. Following Gandalf's advice, Frodo and Sam gather all the necessary information for their patent application. They carefully craft the description, ensuring it discloses how to make and use their invention, and create detailed drawings that visually support their claim. "Gandalf, I've heard that applying for a patent can be expensive. How can we reduce the costs?" One way is to use the provisional patent application, which is less expensive and gives you 1 year to refine your invention and submit a full application. Additionally, you can research and write the application yourself to save on attorney fees, but it is essential to be thorough and precise. If you're eligible, you can apply for reduced fees under the USPTO's micro-entity status.
With the patent application prepared, Frodo and Sam present their case to Saruman at the USPTO. Saruman scrutinizes their application, asking tough questions and challenging their claims.
"Why should I grant you this patent? What makes your invention unique and non-obvious?"
"Our invention revolutionizes garden, saving both time and effort for users. It combines multiple functions into one tool and offers an ergonomic design that is unlike anything currently available." As Frodo and Sam defend their invention, they also have to contend with Sauron's attempts to discredit them. They gather evidence and support from allies like Legolas and Gimli, who can strengthen their case. "We've found proof that Frodo's invention is unique and has never been done before." With their hard work and determination, Frodo and Sam successfully convinced Saruman to grant them the patent, protecting their invention from Sauron and any other would-be thieves.
"Very well, I am convinced. Your patent is granted."
Frodo and Sam return to the Shire, ready to share their invention with the world. They have learned the importance of safeguarding intellectual property and are prepared to defend it in the future. Now that we've followed Frodo and Sam on their quest, let's quickly summarize the key lessons learned about patents and the patent application process. Number 1. Understand the different types of patents: utility, design, and plant patents. Number 2. Determine which type of patent is suitable for your invention. Number 3. Prepare a detailed patent application, including a thorough description, drawings, and claims. Number 4. Conduct a prior art search to ensure your invention is novel, non-obvious, and useful. Number 5. Understand the USPTO's examination process, which looks for novelty, non-obviousness, and utility. Number 6. Consider using a provisional patent application to save on costs and secure time to refine your invention. Number 7. Look into reduced fees under the USPTO's micro-entity status, if eligible. Number 8. Be prepared to defend your invention against challenges from others, like Sauron in our story. Number 9. Seek assistance from experienced patent attorneys or allies when needed. And number 10, remember that the patent application process can be lengthy and requires persistence. Armed with this knowledge, you too can navigate the complex world of patents and safeguard your inventions from those who would try to steal them. Good luck on your quest to protect your ideas and creations.